Welcome to Redline Review. If you believe that every trip, whatever of length, should be amazing, the daring 2026 Ferrari Motorhome blends personal luxury living with authentic Italian performance. It is the first real supercar motorhome, fusing its racing pedigree with luxury and state-of-the-art technology. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome's exterior design and performance are distinctive. The lightweight aluminum alloy and carbon fiber bodywork was inspired by Ferrari Formula One. Aerodynamic channels and an active rear diffuser are features of its performance DNA that enhance stability and airflow. LED headlights, the prancing horse, and unique air intakes are all included on the dramatic, broad grille. Retractable side cameras can be used in place of mirrors to reduce drag and create a sleeker appearance. The hybrid V12 powertrain of Ferrari's flagship hypercar chassis powers it. It sets a class record by using more than 900 horsepower to propel the motorhome to highway speeds in less than 5 seconds. For precise performance on mountain passes and coastlines, variable magneto-helical dampers and rear-wheel steering are used. Interior design details. The camper van exudes Ferrari's luxury and love of racing. The driver-focused dashboard features carbon fiber accents, reminiscent of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and a digital instrument cluster. Access to all operations is made possible by integrated controls and flat-bottom steering wheels. The living room is adorned with exposed carbon, Italian leather, and Alcantara inlays. Perfectly hand-finished, each surface combines motorsport flair with contemporary beauty. Lounge attributes a pair of athletic chairs with motorized recliners that can be made into queen beds. JBL Ferrari's 55-inch OLED screen with surround audio, ambient lights in Ferrari. Red beautiful views from a panoramic roof with lots of natural light. Fine dining and cooking. You can host in style with all you need in the design kitchen. An espresso and convection oven integrated into a flush-mounted induction cooktop. Huge wine cooler, touch-activated smart refrigerator drawers that soft close and cabinets made of carbon fiber. A stylish space for 4 people to eat can be converted into a lounge or workplace. Individual suite bathroom. A bathroom that feels like a spa, complete with Bluetooth speakers, a rainfall shower, and ambient lighting. Marble flooring that is heated, designer fixtures, and a vanity mirror with backlighting. Only the water closet. The private back sleeping suite features a king-size memory foam bed and linens embroidered with Ferraris. Custom closet cabinets, detecting USB-C ports and lights. Technology and networking innovation can be found everywhere, including the middle 17-inch controller with touchscreen voice-activated entertainment, climate control, and lighting Wi-Fi hotspot and 5G internet, numerous USB ports and wireless charging stations, helping drivers stay safe. Features of the Ferrari Motorhome: adaptable cruising with stop and go, enhanced 360-degree cameras to help with lane centering emergency brake on a car, alerts for blind spots and cross traffic. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, in short, combines the luxury of a penthouse apartment with Ferrari's performance. Every mile is a display of speed, elegance, and Italian brilliance, from the Highlands to the Riviera.